There's nothing standard about the TV2 series. It is purposely designed to showcase the simple beauty of a classic kitchen knife, while providing balance, durability, and a keen Asian-style 16-degree edge. Each knife is hand-sharpened and forged from Swedish Sandvik steel, enabling a sharper knife out of the box with a longer edge retention. This knife line includes a modular 14-piece Denali knife block set crafted from solid acacia wood, and is also available in the minimalistic walnut tie block set.